So, do you also want to make your bikes or cars video like this? Very easy, guys. Just watch the video till the end. Let's start. First, all you have to do is just take two pictures. First picture with holding your bike's key, and second picture with the same location, your bike's photo. Okay. Now, next step. Just open Google, Chrome, or any browser you have. For example, I'm using Google app. Now just click on search bar and just type Flow AI and just search it. After that, you'll see this interface. Now just scroll down and click on this search result. I have given link in description. You can also visit from there. Okay. After clicking on the link, you will see this interface. Now just click on create with flow, this option, and you will see this interface. Now just select your any Google account. After signing with your Google account, you will see this interface. Now just click on next, scroll down and click on continue. Scroll down and just click on get started. Okay, now click on new project. Now click on this option text video and select frames to video. After selecting this option, you will see below two plus symbol. Okay, click on first plus symbol. First we're going to click on agree. First we're going to upload a key photo, crop and save. So this is our first photo with a key. Now let's select our second photo. Again click on plus symbol, click on upload and select your bike's photo. Crop and save. Now click on generate a video with the text and frames here. Tap here and just paste the prompt I have mentioned in pin comment. Simply click on send. And AI started working on your picture. Thank you guys for watching our videos, and if you haven't liked, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, then do it guys. It motivates me a lot to make more videos for you. You can see. And to download the video, just click on this download symbol